The Boy Who Tamed the Wild Dogs. A true story of bravery and friendship. Welcome to Talking Tales. Learn English, the place where stories come alive and help you improve your English skills. Stories are a powerful way to learn any language. By listening to this story, you will improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, and comprehension. Also, at the end of this story, I will share a valuable life lesson. So, let's begin. Chapter 1. A Village by the Forest. In a quiet village surrounded by dense forests, there lived a boy named Arun. Arun was brave, kind, and full of curiosity. Unlike other children who spent their time playing in the fields, Arun loved exploring the mysteries of the forest. But there was one thing that everyone in the village feared: the wild dogs. These dogs lived deep in the forest, moving in packs, hunting for food, and attacking anything they found threatening. The villagers always warned their children to stay away from the forest, especially at night. One evening, as Arun sat by the river watching the sun go down, he noticed something unusual. A small, injured puppy lay near the water, whimpering softly. It had deep scratches on its legs, and its tiny body was trembling with fear. Arun looked around. No other dogs were nearby. He knew that this little creature belonged to the wild pack. Taking it home would be dangerous. What if the other wild dogs came looking for it? But Arun couldn't leave the puppy there. It would surely die. He made a quick decision. He picked up the puppy gently, wrapped it in his scarf, and hurried back home. Chapter 2. A Secret Companion. Arun's grandmother, an old woman with a heart full of wisdom, watched as he entered the house with the puppy. "You know this is risky, don't you?" she asked. Arun nodded. "But I couldn't leave him there, grandmother. He needs help." His grandmother sighed, but smiled. "Then, if you are to keep him, you must earn his trust. A frightened heart only opens to kindness." Arun named the puppy Vera, which meant brave one. He cleaned its wounds, fed it warm milk, and kept it hidden from the villagers. Every day he spoke softly to Vera, helping him feel safe. Slowly, the puppy grew stronger, and something incredible happened. Vera started to trust him. One day, as Arun was playing outside with Vera, a strange sound echoed through the forest. A distant howl. Then another. The wild dogs were calling their lost member. Vera's ears perked up, and he whimpered. Arun knew this moment would come. "You miss them, don't you?" Arun whispered. That night, as Arun lay in bed, he made a decision. He had to return Vera to the wild. But would the wild dogs accept him? And more importantly, would they accept Arun? Chapter 3. Facing the Wild Pack. The next morning, Arun set off into the forest with Vera following closely. The deeper they went, the quieter it became. Arun could feel unseen eyes watching him from the shadows. Then suddenly, the silence broke. A pack of wild dogs emerged from the bushes, growling and circling around them. Their eyes were fierce, their bodies tense. Arun's heart pounded. But he didn't run. Instead, he knelt down beside Vera and spoke in a calm voice. "He is yours," Arun said gently. "He belongs with you." Vera hesitated for a moment, then slowly walked toward the leader of the pack, a massive, scarred dog with piercing yellow eyes. The leader sniffed Vera, then looked at Arun. To Arun's surprise, the growling stopped. The leader of the pack didn't attack. Instead, he studied Arun with curiosity. For the first time in history, a human had stood before the wild dogs without fear. The pack accepted Vera, but before they disappeared into the forest, the leader did something extraordinary. He stepped closer to Arun, gently touched his nose to Arun's hand, and then ran away. It was a sign of trust. Chapter 4. A Bond Beyond Fear. From that day on, the wild dogs never troubled the village again. Arun had done something incredible. He had tamed the untamable. He had proven that kindness and courage could build bridges between even the wildest of hearts. Years later, whenever Arun walked through the forest, he would sometimes see the pack watching him from afar, and in the midst of them, a strong, proud dog with familiar eyes, Vera. The boy and the wild dog had changed each other forever. What can you learn from this story? This story teaches us that kindness and patience can overcome even the deepest fears. It reminds us that trust is not given, it is earned. Arun didn't tame the wild dogs by force. He did it with understanding and bravery. And just like Arun, when you learn a new language like English, patience, practice, and trust in yourself will help you succeed. Keep reading, keep listening, and keep practicing. Now, here's a challenge for you. Comment one unique word you learned today from this story. Let's see how many words we can learn together. New words and their meanings. Curiosity, a strong desire to learn or know something. Whimpering, making a series of low, weak sounds expressing fear or pain. Fierce, very strong, powerful, or aggressive. Trembling, shaking slightly, usually because of fear or cold. Pounded, hit or struck repeatedly with great force. Piercing, very sharp, intense, or able to go through something. Companion, a person or animal who shares time with another. Trust, belief in someone's honesty, reliability, or ability. Extraordinary, very unusual or remarkable. Untamable, impossible to control or domesticate. Final message: keep learning with Talking Tales. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Talking Tales. Learn English. We bring you amazing real-life stories that improve your English in the most fun way possible. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an exciting episode. Until next time, keep learning and keep unlocking new words. Please comment below what story you want to listen in next video. Goodbye. See you in next video story. Please comment below what story you want to listen in next video.